Hello, nerds and fellow gamers, and welcome to Kingfire88's YouTube channel. Today we will be doing a Pokemon box unboxing opening thinking about. I also want to shout out to my girlfriend who hanged out with today. Mom, I love you, and I had a lot of fun seeing you today. You're my everything, my world. I just want you to know that. Now about this box that I bought when I was with her today. It comes with a Rayquaza card, which is pretty sick. Being a huge Pokemon fan, it means a lot to me. And so I'll put that in here. And then the other thing it came with that I really like is the Spyro Mega Rayquaza. That's really cool. And 4 Pokemon card packs. No, Pokemon X, but we'll start with the 2 Deoxys packs. The first one. Trash. I throw that away. So Warbone. Hold on. Okay. Sorry about that. I have a shoe box I put them in. Another Pikachu. Voltorb. The Dunsparce. They'll go in there. This thing that will go in there. This Wingull I'll keep. Togekiss I'll keep out. This one I'll keep out. This one I'll throw in there. These two I'll put in the shoebox, and this I'll keep out. So we expanded our collection a bunch. The good ones stay in here. So let's see. Togekiss. So take another awesome one. And then okay, so that's pack number 1. Pack number 2, the other Deoxys pack. We like to throw a Swablu. I like to throw that in there. Electric. Boom. Another Dragonite. We have a lot of those. It's a 9 holographic. Another one of the Dunsparce. So we'll put that in there. a unpheasant, which is awesome. I have another dragonite. A pelipper. Trainer's mail. Melodic. So, unpheasant card. Okay. And then there's this. What? A Chansey, which is pretty cool. This guy, there's a cool looking Jotic. A pumpkin boot. Rock and roll, this is awesome. Steel shelter, which I want to put in stadium. A Pichu, which I'll put in here. And that will go in there, just to mention that. A Furo and a draft rig. Also going in there. So, and of course, the last pack, Primal Groudon pack. If I can just put like a normal Groudon, that would be awesome. But this guy, a Weedle, a Zigzagoon, a Shroomish, a Spiel, holographic lantern, a Kingdra, a repeat bomb, Shrine of Miracles, and a combustion, which actually needed. So that's all the cards. Find the combustion of the basic again. And there. And there you go. There's the Pokemon card packs for today. DS headphones. I also wanted to show you the bracelet my girlfriend got me. It's every the evolution, which is really cool. And then she got me she got them at the same one we went to today, but she got it at a different time. And she got one that says Partners of Crime, and I have a necklace upstairs that's a Pokeball that says I choose you on both halves, and it's 2 necklaces and they interlock. So I got that for both of us, so we each have one. And yeah, just thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and this and all that good stuff. Thanks again. Peace.